All right. Welcome back to another video. I got a couple friends here with me. Who are these? Well, we got Fox and Rocky the Raccoon. Now, why are they here? This is a pick a Stuffy video. Oh yeah, you got to pick a Stuffy, either Fox or Rocky the Raccoon, and you get the card related to the Stuffy. Ooh, which one's it gonna be? Now you know either one of them is so awesome. Look how beautiful they are, and look how cuddly they are. Now, why am I doing this? Well, in an effort to build more bridges between my son and I asked him, hey Adam, what is a great concept and topic for the pick a card video today? And he said, pick a Stuffy. So this is important because we want to ask other people ways that we can do the stuff that we love doing. And if we do that, we help incorporate their loves into ours. So let's go ahead and get started. If you picked Fox, then you're getting your card out of this deck. Wow, this guy's heavy. So beautiful, so beautiful. If you picked Fox, then you're getting your card out of this deck. Okay, let's take a look and see what it is. Ready? Whoa, let's go, Fox. What do you got here for me? Oh, he's so cuddly and soft. Now I know why my son loves stuffed animals. Oh, it's so comforting. They act like a pillow, but also just something to hug. Here we go. Oh, the laziness card. Look at this. So the first message we're getting here is what? You can just kick back and relax on this white crystal rock. What's that? That is the idea that God, source, or universe is here, working in your best interest all the time. And look, all the colors of the chakras are contained in that white light crystal, because you can know that's what's really guiding the black and white world around you. See, we've risen up. We've risen up into this safe, stuffy place of warmth. Yeah, you don't have to worry so much anymore because you know you are a spiritual being having a human experience, right? And you're going to get this umbrella. What is that? That is the rainbow chakra umbrella that is covering you. You're actually being covered from the ups and downs of day-to-day life, as you see by the checkerboard down here. And you really are wanting to know that life is relaxing, life is stress-free, life doesn't have to be a cinema of destruction. No, it can be a soft little Stuffy that you can hug. And you want to know this, that you can see it right down here. There's Fox right at the feet of this divine masculine. That's what the symbol represents. The divine masculine is our words and our images. The way we describe things, the way we interact with things, the way that we talk about things. That's going to colorize or chakra-ize our world. So we're just constantly bringing this beautiful white light of a rainbow of variety of feelings and words and interactions, of playfulness, of fun, of joy, of happy, yeah, into our personal world. And we want that to be down here by our feet where the pink slipper is, because the pink is the red root chakra. That means material world expanding, material world reborning, rebirthing, material world little girl, right? A rebirth. So you want to bring the rebirth of the light to expand your world by using your intelligence, your divine masculine, just like Foxy. Yeah. So that's really the message that's here. The number here is the number 9, and it is in the blue diamond. So what we're talking about there is that, well, I don't know what we're talking about there. I don't have anything about that. So it's okay to not know what's going on sometimes. And it's okay to try new things and just see what happens. Now when I look again though, I can see that this is really an upside down 6. That's good. Now why is that good? Because the number 6 is representation of human in the world, a human being, as opposed to a spiritual being. So the number 6 is a number for mankind. And what we're really doing is we're turning our mankind world upside down by getting out of the day-to-day circumstances and logic of good versus evil and right versus wrong of the checkerboard here of the black and white. And we're going up into this new world, the spiritual dimension, where we can be playful, we can be like children of the light again, and we can get in with our stuffies. So, hey, go ahead and grab one of those stuffed animals you used to have when you were a kid. You can even grab it up here in your conscious space and just give it a little memory hug. And when you do that, you'll unlock all the power of the flow of that stuffed animal that you loved so dearly. That's your reading. Why don't you stick around for the next one? Find out what Rocky's got to say to us. Let's see. Okay, if you picked reading number 2, you picked the reading with Rocky. Why? Because Rocky is a stuffed animal. Ooh, black and white. so good. But look how happy he is to be in duality. Let's find out what card is going to come up for Rocky for this reading. Boy, this guy's heavy. Let's see here. He's heavy with all the love and the joy of all the stuffiness. See, the reason I'm even doing this video is my son, who loves stuffed animals, who always has since he was growing up, he always brought them to us when we were hurt or when we just needed a little encouragement. And this one particularly, when I was in heavy drug addiction, he brought me this Stuffy and he said, Dad, all you got to do is just give a little squeeze to his tail, like that, when you're feeling sad or lost, and it'll just make everything better. And you know what? I did that. I did that a lot. And guess what? I recovered from addiction thanks to practices and the love of people like my son and others around me. Oh yeah, Rocky, so good. Let's find out what the reading's going to be if you pick this card. Man, Rocky, you are a ball of light. Whoa, what do we got here? Oh, surrender your fear of change. Yeah, you know that's true. So in the black and white world, we're always dealing with change, constant whirlwind of things moving around, just like I am in this reading. Now look, here you are on your white horse. This is so good because you can surrender the fear of change by looking at all the yellow. What's the yellow? The yellow is the joy in your life, the playful in your life, the Rocky raccoons in your life that are there to comfort and to keep you like a child again. This is so good too because you can tell that you're moving into this expansion. Look, there's mountains back here. That is you setting your sights on higher things, on more original things, on stuff that you've never done before. And this is nothing to be afraid of. The worst that could happen is you end up with more energy. Think about what I'm saying. When we take a risk in a relationship, at work, wherever, on an idea, on a business, writing a book, none of this matters because we are taking the risk to be able to bring more light into the world. And all the light you get, even if things aren't successful, you're going to unlock all this new terrain of light. And that light's going to flood back into your life. Yeah, Rocky, it's going to flood into your life and you're going to find renewal and expansion in ways you can't imagine. Oh, it's so goody good when we just embrace change because change is happening anyway. You might as well get on that horse and ride into the sunlight. Yeah, it's not really setting in any other way that it's just setting new energy into your personal world. That's just going to be a blossom of beauty. Oh, Rocky, thank you so much for this little message. And I want to thank my son, Adam, for giving me the suggestion to do a reading that associated the stuffed animals into it. I feel so good about that. I'm so happy to have all the energy and all of the love that is just embodied inside of this stuffed animal. Whoa, yeah, go for the future. Know that it's unlimited and know there's nothing to fear except for fear. And you know what? I don't even fear the things I fear. Ooh, that's goody good news. Take care, my friends, and take care of my stuffed animals, whoever you are out there. Yeah, subscribe to this channel. Oh yeah, Rocky's like, what? Tell him what? Subscribe to the channel, be a part of this magical expression of God, source, universe, light in the world. Take care, I'll see you tomorrow.